Good afternoon, friend. Today I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the one of the best company in IT sector. Company name is Nucleus Software Limited. As you can see on the screen that there are 3 lakhs user login daily on the system of this one in Nucleus Software, and $200 billion value of loan managed by the company. Transactions processed per day 26 million. 100 million active loans managed in our system globally. It is presented by Nucleus Software. Okay. You can go in the menu and you can also check the services company providing here: project management, consulting, training, testing, support. Okay, FinEdge, analytics. Okay, you can also see the application services, application development, digital transformation, data management, analytics, mobile and web application, verification and validation. Very good company, sir, for the future in IT. So let's take some fundamental of this stock. So you can see on the screen, the Nucleus Software Export Limited is a lending and transactional banking product to the global financial services as a pioneer retail and corporate banking software since 1986. Okay, their service provided a operation more than the 200 financial institutions over the 50 countries and supporting retail lending and corporate banking, cash management, mobile and internet banking. Okay, so let's check some fundamental here. Market cap is 1602 crore, current price is 552, high is 766 and 472, P is 18, so very good. In IT sector you don't find this kind of P, 18 P, very low P. Book value 231, just double the maybe 1.2 point something of book value right now. Dividend is 1.63, very good signs are genuine dividend. Return on capital employed 21, return on equity 16.6, face value 10. Altman just very good sign. Altman just goes 6.81, very good sign. Number of equity 2191, growth factor 4. Piotrowski, see Piotrowski 8 is very good sign for the company. Solid check, you can say company is reducing their equity. Very good sign, sir. Company is reducing their equity capital. It means company is very solid and want to make the balance sheet stronger. Reserve power, you can see how much reserve they are having, 102 times of their debt. And asset power, you can see company is having asset is 0.81 of the total debt. Now you can see the overall chart of the company of 5 year. So let's check the chart of last 3 months. Companies have falling down since from the top. Yeah, no problem at all. Just you can, it is a bullish trend market, it can go more higher. Always check with your advisor before buying this any kind of stock. So let's check pros and cons of the company. Company is almost debt free. Company has maintaining the healthy dividend payout, 28.6 cons. The company has delivered a poor sales growth of 8.05 over the past few years, earning including the other income 37.41. P comparison, you can see Mphasis, L&T, Oracle, Coforge. When you check the price to book value, all are having high price to book value. Only Nucleus Software is having now 2.3. So maybe you can say in this kind of video which I am making, always bringing very good stock with the low price of value, low price to book value for your help. You can see the consolidated figure here. Now company is having good sales, increasing sales here. You can say everything flat in the last June quarter is flat. Okay, you can see some negative trend here in last few quarter, December, March and June. Okay, but earlier you can see everywhere a positive sign. So last 3 quarters is an opportunity for the long-term investor to invest in this kind of company. You can see operating margin very good. Only except last quarter is only 1% operating margin, but you can see earlier is 25, 21, 24, 27. Very good signs. Very good sign. Other income you can see 10.8, very good. Interest 0.2, very low interest. Okay, very good sign. Tax net profit. So you can see the now check the standalone. And a standalone, you can also see that companies have managing very good standalone. You can see the sales growth. Sales is negative just last 3 quarters. Rest all are fine. I think you can invest this kind of company. Okay, after checking with your advisor. Expenses also maintained by the company. If you check the company's 10 year back, in 2018 company was seeing operating profit of 15 crore. Now it is showing 30 crore, 35 crore, 25 crore. Very good sign for the company. Other income also improving. Interest also very managed. Profit before tax is also managed by the company except last quarter. very good sign. Overall sales growth, you can see here the company is growing their sales every year. March 2020 2.25, or earlier 11, 17, 12, 7, very good sign. Expenses, operating profit has also managed 112 crore this quarter, this year 2021, very good sign, sir. Interest, you can see every year 0 interest, no interest at all. Okay, only this last 2 quarter only 1 crore interest is going, very good sign. Company's net profit is very good. Compounded profit negative, no problem, but you check the CAGR of the 5 year, 10 years 25%, but no problem at all. You can check with your advisor before buying this stock. You can check the other, these are the standalone result. Equity capital, you can see very good signs, sir. All of the equity, all of the IT company are reducing their equity capital, but this is all of the increasing their equity capital, but this company is reducing their equity capital low. 2010 equity capital was 32 crore, now it is 29.04, very good sign. Reserve, every year reserve is growing. See, March 2020 513 crore, March 2021 618, every year reserve is growing. Very good sign, sir, very good sign. Borrowing nothing. Okay, you can check investment company going investment every year. Now this year investment is 649 crore, very good sign. Very good sign for the company. Other asset you can check. You can say trade receivable 77%, 77 crore, and cash equivalent 24 crore. Very good sign. Company is maintaining good cash in the hand. Okay, cash from the equity, you can see cash from the activity, operation and other. Okay, ratio you can see company's debtor day also improved 66 to 62. Very good sign. Working capital negative, very good sign, sir. Whenever you see working capital negative, that company getting their advance payment before delivering any product. Very good sign, sir. Return on capital employed 23%, very good sign. You can say shareholder pattern you can see the shareholder is intact, holding the stock, nothing losing, there are no, so they don't lose any single stock. FIA holding intact, even they increase their holding 7.12 in June quarter, very good sign. DIA also interested, but they reduced their equity. And public also holding intact, 24.88%, very good. You can just click and check. Arun Jain is one of the investor. Dolly Khanna is one of the known investors holding in this particular company. Very good sign. You can read about the latest information from the company. All con call transcript here. Hope this video help you to see the benefit of the company and invest in this company. Future, always check with your advisor before buying any stock.